Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a pro tip and let you know how we do things here at Vanland when we're building out a complete conversion like this. One of the things that we are doing today is doing a water test. So our philosophy is that you need to water test the van early on before you start putting any of the interior components in, because believe me, we have gotten to a point where the van was almost finished, parked it outside for a few days when it was raining and found a leak. Even though it was a small leak, it took a bunch of work to fix it. What we recommend is first thing, cut all of your holes in the van. So for your max fan, your skylight, your air conditioner, your windows, get all of those cut and then put those pieces of equipment in. And at that point, you want to take it outside and leak test it just to make sure there are no leaks before you start putting in things like sound deadening, insulation, wall panels, and anything else that could get damaged from the water or would be hard to remove when you find a leak later. The other tip is it's actually best to just leave the van out in the rain if possible for a few days. That's really going to show you if there are any leaks. So it's a sunny day today. We had to do it with a hose, but if possible, just leave your van outside if it's raining. That's the best way to leak test it. All right, everybody, thank you and see you next time.